Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Hopefully we start the year on a good note. Keep motivating ourselves, keep pushing ourselves. As you can see, my face is a little sweaty right now. I just get back from jogging, and right now I'm gonna do some push-ups, and yeah, just gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna keep pushing myself as always and trying to look good as I can. And yeah, that's basically it. I just really enjoy it, and I want you guys to be motivated and do the same thing as I'm doing. Just keep pushing yourself. Simple as that. Alright, so before I talk too much, let's just get right into the exercise. Okay, so normally before you get started, I would recommend you to use a piece of cloth on the floor because it's gonna help you a lot with your wrist. So currently, this is what I'm using, and it helps a lot. And normally, especially if you're gonna have to work the next day, so you don't wanna wake up with inflammation around your wrist, around here, because you're gonna be in agony. So you definitely do not want that. So before you get started, I would recommend look around, see if you can find something. Either you go to your store nearby and pick up something that will help you a lot with your workout. So this helps a lot. Anyway, guys, let's just get right into it again. Let's do it.
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Simple as that. Think about it, the workout I just did didn't take long at all. Like you just did, a few sets of push-ups and then you went out jogging and things like that. So literally, this is it, guys. And I would recommend you to do the same thing. And the best way to keep yourself motivated is by doing a little bit at a time. And I know you can do it. A lot of you guys out there can do it. And if you feel like it's too hard, I would recommend maybe you should pick up a friend. Maybe you should pick a friend and motivate each other. And that's gonna be a big boost to your workout routine. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. And thumbs up if you like this video. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next workout. Thank you so much.
You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said